Good morning. This is English video session for class 6. The textbook which we are dealing with is Honeysuckle, and we are now dealing with the textbook Honeysuckle chapter number 4, and we are dealing with the poem Beauty. Okay, and what did we do? We read the lines of the poem. We also wrote some of the things which are beautiful, and we read some of the question and answers what we heard and all. Now there is one very important activity which is given to us. Write a paragraph about beauty. Use your own ideas along with ideas in the poem. You may discuss the ideas with your partner also. So now you are sitting and doing with your friend house. So partner is not there. So you have to do it by yourself. What is it said? Paragraph about beauty. What is a paragraph? You have to have a beginning, you have to have a body, you have to have a convincing end. That is about beauty. You can take the ideas, whatever the author has said, you can also use the idea to write about. Okay. Yes, can you write it? Yes, what are the things you will write? You will even write it where all you have seen. You can start like, so what are the things you find it as beautiful in the dark, beautiful in the light, beautiful in the festivals, what is beautiful? You can talk about irrigation, agriculture, what is beautiful in the agricultural field. Yes, there are n number of things that you can first prioritize what all things you want to bring under the field of beauty. Okay, first you think about your house, what are the things that are beautiful in your house, you prioritize. Then in your country, what are all the things that are there in the beauty. You can even go to the extent of telling what are all the things that are beautiful in a festivals, food, display, what are all the things that are beautiful. Then some of the issues that are connected with the like how the author has done, you see. Yes, how he brought the paragraph like birds, sunlight and all. You can go in for nature also. You can take the idea from what are all the things that were beautiful and how you found it beautiful. The yellow rays of the sunlight in the early morning, the orange ball coming out. So you have to be very precise if you are telling about nature. Then you can go to the other things of nature like trees and flowers. What are the flowers that are grown in your garden that are beautiful? You can list those flowers. You can come out of the house and see the birds. Write the names of the birds that look beautiful and how they make the sound. What you hear, the sound of those birds. Okay, that's also beautiful. You can make a list, and then you can just tell about how the people who are working in the school, they are going in the auto, they are going in the car. So beautiful to see all those things. People traveling in the plane, people are traveling in buses. Yes, can you write? Yes. Harvesting, nature, agricultural field. So beautiful. So not write about that. Agricultural field. What are all the different activities that are carried on by the people in the agricultural field? How it will be done and how that really matters to become the most beautiful seed in the human eyes. Okay. Yes. You can also, after writing, you can give a list of the things which you hear as beautiful. Here you have to do a little of working to find out what are all the things which you hear as beautiful. Okay, make a list of what all things. The baby crying is beautiful? No, the baby laughing is beautiful. So then the birds chirping. Yes, it's so beautiful. And all the things which you hear. The night bird, the early morning cuckoo birds sound, then the early morning chant from the temple, church, mosque, devotional places, Aren't they beautiful? Then the wind, the movement of wind is okay. But what about thunder? Don't bring thunder here. Don't bring thunder, don't bring a storm here. They can't be beautiful. They are very destroying. They will make you feel the fear inside. So that cannot be coming under the beauty. Okay. Finally, you have to see what are all the beautiful things that you see in yourself. Like what are all the activities that are good. Going and feeding animals, feeding birds, then keeping water for the birds. That's so beautiful. Keep a bowl of water, cup of grains for them. That's so beautiful. Helping poor. Okay. Feeding the people who are in need. Okay. Then children is helping others when they are in difficulty. What are all the things that makes you happy, and how it's important that you have to have such good things as your character. Okay, how you have to maintain such things is what is said. Okay, read the poem again, children. Read by yourself. Yes, beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corns growing, people working and dancing for harvest. Okay. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, singer chanting, anything in a nest. Anything in a nest. Okay. Yes. Last stanza. Read. Beauty is in yourself. Yes, in what you're doing painting, you are doing all these things, you are making a beautiful dish, you are reading one beautiful article, all these things are also beautiful, is it not? Yes. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. Ye shure. Ye shure. Okay. Teeth. These are the activities which we heard. Yes, I had asked you to write a list of things that are beautiful to hear. Okay, you have to do it. And now you have to find out why the person has written like this. For example, corn growing, people working. Why should you write like that? Because corn that is growing, people who are working, people who are dancing. Wind that is sighing, the rain that is falling, the singer who is chanting. Yes, you have to write it precisely. Okay, why you can't use the prose language in poetry? If you use the prose in the poetry, what will happen? The beauty of the poetry will be lost. You have to write it. Okay, children, will you do it? Yes, you have to complete the entire writing part in the next class when I see you. Okay. Yes, then final activity is you have to write a paragraph. Such a beautiful question. You are given an opportunity. Take the poem, keep it as a model and find out areas which you find out areas which all you want to cover. Then you develop on those areas. Finally, how beauty is in all for within yourself. You cannot have it outside, you have to have it inside you only. Okay, you can't have anything outside, you can only have it inside. Clear, children? Yes, thank you. See you in your next class.